Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you will have to open your phone application, then go to the contacts, then you have to select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then to add photo tap on its avatar where it's supposed to be, then you have an option to take photo or to select photo from gallery. Let's select photo. Here you can adjust your photo, then tap OK, and after that image will be added. Just save changes by tapping here, and as you can see now our contact have photo on it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.